Hi everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. This month I'm the hostess and I chose rainbows for the month of September 2021. This is inspiration only. If you don't want to use the rainbows, that is a-okay. We don't mind. I am going to be using rainbows in my pages. I made 3-page kits and I'm doing a voiceover for whatever reason. Whenever I recorded this, um, the volume, I don't know what happened. You can't hear me, and so I decided to do a voiceover so you could. So anyway, I was going to show you everything that I have planned on doing. This is my inspiration. I got that from Bella Boulevard. I am going to be sponging the clouds in that. I don't know if you can see that. That is a mask that I bought probably in the 90s. It's from Printworks. As you can see, I don't even know if they're even around anymore. But I'm going to be using that to make the clouds. And I pulled out 2 Tim Holtz Distress inks. I've got peacock feathers and the other one, I think it's, what is it? The other one is tumbled glass. I may do one or both. I'm not sure. I'm going to use the brush to apply it. So that's the photo that I'm going to be using. I did pull out the Vicky Bouton papers, and this is going to be my colors for the rainbow. And I have a variety, as you can see. I love that green. I didn't have a yellow, but I figured that I could use that yellow as the smaller piece. And then I'll just have it like I just showed, how the rainbow is going to go. And then that's my photo that I'm going to use. It, I think, will be absolutely beautiful. So I don't have any other embellishments besides these stickers, and I don't even know if I'm going to use the stickers, but at least it came with the collection, and I thought I would just keep it together. All right, so page kit number 2. This is from Laura Whitaker. It's kind of older, January of 2014. I am one to scrap the photos that match the sketch, and so I have 3 3x4s, and I was showing how I was planning on using the rainbow paper there, and then the floral paper will be for an accent. I really do like that together. I may not use the butterfly or the hearts, but I really love the color combination right there. All right, then page number 3 is I'm going to plan on using this rainbow. I can't get it out because it has adhesive on the back of the magnetic strip, so I'll just pull it out later. And then this is a photo of, you guys may know my daughter's cat, Josie. Well, she recently came to live with me, so now she's my cat. And so she is going to be the subject of my page. And this is the sketch that I have out. It's another Laura Whitaker. And I also have this rainbow that I know that came from close to my heart. And this is the paper I'm using. Love that rainbow. So everything that is dotted paper on the sketch is what I'm planning to use the rainbow paper. And then these tags here is what I'm going to use for all the colors of the rainbow. And then I'm planning on fussy cutting out these flowers. But, I still need to have a circle behind it. 'Cause I really do like to stay true as much as I can. And I was thinking about using that paper that you on the opposite side of the floral. So that is all of my kits for the month of September. If you haven't already, make sure you upload your kit and add it to our Facebook group so you can be part of our prize giving. Everyone is up for a prize for each photo of your kit and each photo of your layout. And I think that is about it, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I look forward to seeing what everyone creates, and I will see you guys next time. All right, take care. Bye bye.